y'all, here it goes. The first official video to the YouTube channel. This is Durango R. This is Here to Be Different. As y'all might have seen from the title already, got the Borla Cat Back Exhaust system ready to get installed today. On my 2017 Dodge Durango. Don't worry about the license plate, that's about to get changed anyway. But yeah, this is my baby. I figure since this is going to be the last official cold start of the car with the stock exhaust, I might as well show it to y'all. Also, you can peep the parking spot number. If you don't know what 17 means now, you'll know eventually. But here you go. Oh, hold up. Battery been going dead. All right, let's try this again. It's not enough. It's not enough. Love the car when I got it. It sounds loud when you're pushing on the gas, but it's not enough. It could be a lot more. You see, I had to go with the rear seats. That was a definite must. When I grabbed the car, that was a selling point for me. But I'm about to go pick up my boy Iz, and I'll catch up with y'all in a couple minutes. All right, the car's warmed up. When them gates open and you pull up to this point right here, I always gotta stop. Nobody keeps the traction control on when it's sport mode. Come on now. Let's get it. It's gonna be a great day today. All right, I'll give y'all some highway sounds. Now, I would like to say, I do got the jet chip module installed on my car, the accelerator. I don't know if I'm a real big fan of it. I have like an issue where it puts the window down sometimes. So it's actually cut off right now, but it's just a stock engine, just at highway speeds, going at a little bit above average pace, but you know, we're good. Let's see what we get when we rev it up some. Now, I will say, when the jet chip accelerator is activated, it is way louder than what it is right now. But that'll all be changed today, so catch back up with y'all when we go grab Iz. I'm about to miss my turn. Start over, good buddy. Let's get in here. Izak, where you at? We're here at Casper's Corner. Got my boy Izak with me. I don't know where to take my truck, but I'm getting a cold air intake and the full Borla Cat Back Exhaust system. There it is. Oh yeah. Nice little project car. Can't wait till the gets finished. I ain't even dropped from that far either. Because your ass was taking all long. Them damn pipes got hot on his head. He burned his hand. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's going up. Got to change the whole front bumper though. That shit looks ass. All right, so here we go.
So we get these off instead of trying to burn the bolts out. We're gonna cut them here,
Okay.
one here, and then cut the bumpers off.
Yep.
This is section, that section, keep two bumpers, and then we'll install the new one.
All right,
looks like everything's there.
and what's your name and everything? I'm doing this for
Mason.
YouTube.
Mason.
Mason. All right, nice to meet you.
Yep.
It's my guy Mason over at Cat Back Corner. He's gonna get me right with my exhaust and everything. So you'll see it coming soon. Damn, must be nice. 2-phone shorty.
bro, you got 2 cars.
Yo, start lying for the gram. Who that?
Okay.
That's your shorty. That's your shorty?
Yeah, I'm on the phone with Shorty, bro.
Who that?
He trying to get me booked.
That's the one that was picked. Nah, never mind. Let me chill. I'm at the shop. You picking up a car. He got 2 phones. He looking up Hellcats. Look at him.
Nah, Mitsubishi's.
What's
I'm
that, Pornhub?
X videos.
Xvideos.com. You said mom? That was your mom the whole time? Aww.
Oh, you got the camera?
Look at your phone with your mom the whole time. That's cute. You said you love her? Yeah. What you looking up, bro? What we grabbing? What's next? What's next on the project list?
Try and get a Durango. Try to see if they got a Durango.
I'm trying to, should we soup up a smart car? For the next car? What do you think? Trading the Durango, we soup up a smart car. I think it'd be a jump.
Do this shit, bro.
What'd you just say?
I said, so this process, like, how much did this process cost you?
I think we'll probably have to keep that for another video. Let's just say the pipes alone was $1,200, but the good guys are at Casper's Corner. My guy Todd, check him out. Call Todd. They give you a great deal. Well, he gave me a great deal. I don't know about all y'all, but he hooked me up. But the process alone is gonna run you a band and some change, but
You ain't got no mask on. They gonna be like, was this before COVID?
yeah. Also, let's just say, all these clips are pre-COVID. No mask necessary. Just about done.
That's it. All right, read it. Where did you get that pad? And I got a sheet for one. Either one?
Huh?
Blow your ears on down more.
Yeah, right?
That's how you can tell the exhaust is loud.
Yeah, you did say it was gonna be loud.
Every time they're hollow. Yeah, see the chrome tip to it.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad now. Doesn't look bad.
But, like I said, Borla always get pockets.
Okay.
So, you gotta remember that kit's going on. Pretty tight fit up there.
Yeah. Looks sweet though. Can't wait to hear it. Yeah.
There's much you can do though. You know, see how tight it is here?
Yep.
Tight there, tight here.
Literally no room for error, just about.
Nah, I hate when they're that tight because, you know, the exhaust always moves.
Yeah.
Like, see how tight it is up in the front? So that ain't gonna move here.
Yeah.
And if you look at the Dodge, the X-Pipe's actually straight, the dry shaft's off a little bit.
Yeah, I
So
seen
it
that.
gives your eye a different.
Yeah. Oh no, this process just looks extra difficult.
You don't need that.
That's why we pay to get it done, because I'm not I'm not touching it.
You don't need
What is that?
the hole in the hood.
Oh yeah. Oh, I am about to change the hood, so I will hold on to those.
Yeah, that's what this one is. That covers.
Okay.
Dude, I've never seen that one.
Yeah.
That's bothering. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's for the 2018 hood.
Some RTs have the holes in the hood.
Yep.
Yeah, they always come in so many pieces. It's like, dude, why can't you install it? They spend big money on it.
Good drip today. Okay, I see you. Let me see.
I got throw on the Barbarian. Later, y'all gonna see me in the Barbarian.
You said you're looking up at yours now? What you about to grab?
You know,
Camaro. Oh, you're trying to be bad. Damn.
I'm just here to be different, bro.
Just here to listen. I like the way that sounds. Car's done. First start's about to be on the way. What do y'all think? Should I get them powder coated a different color, or should I leave them chrome? I was going for a blacked out look on the car, but we'll see. There it is. The official first start. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go.
That thing sound like a cat.
Damn, that's my truck?
We want to take it for that.
That's my shit? No, he got test drive it. I'm not test driving that death trap. Yeah, I'm out there pissing people off. Just got the car washed. Right now here at Antonino's Pizzeria. Got my boy Carlo. Say what's up to the tube, man.
What's up?
Damn, I saw you got from YouTube. This is fuck us. It's like a little ass
My
boy.
boy Wani in the Hellcat. Where you get a mask from?
Day 2 of the pipe install. I ain't gonna lie. They look kinda mean. When I was talking to the guy at the shop, I was asking him if I could do black tips. He told me to contact Corsa or Borla and see if they had some black tips that I could get swapped out, and they would just weld them on there for me. But I don't know, I'm kinda liking the chrome. But this will be the first cold start. Here we go. That's a truck truck.